Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to delete your YouTube videos. Deleting videos that you no longer want on your channel is easy, and we'll show you how in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Sign into your YouTube account. Go to YouTube.com and click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials to access your YouTube account. Step 2. Once signed in, click on your profile picture or avatar at the top right corner, and then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Step 3. In the left-hand menu, click on Content to view all the videos on your channel. Locate the video that you want to delete and click on the options beside it. Step 4. After selecting the video, click on the 3 dots options menu on the bottom left. From the options that appear, select Delete Forever. Step 5. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to delete the video. Check the agreement and then click Delete Forever to permanently remove the video from your channel. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted your YouTube video. Repeat these steps for any other videos you wish to delete. Remember, once a video is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure you've selected the right one to delete. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this step-by-step guide made deleting your YouTube videos an effortless process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Happy video management!